Okay?
You're on. See the torque roll of it?
Yeah. You see it?
Yeah.
Like a big sail, that tail is, isn't it?
Yeah.
As soon as the wind catches it. In one respect, it is a big pussycat, isn't it?
Yeah.
But I think if you take your eye off the ball for a split second with this, I think it might.
I think what it is quite a heavy plane. I mean, it's light for the size of it, but you've still got to remember there's a bit of weight there.
Yeah.
And if you slow down too much just before you land, it will drop.
The thing I'm not comfortable with at the moment is the way the wind's playing with it.
I mean, you could try and have a little half flap on landing, see what you think. I mean, I'd do an approach and try it. Just slow it down a bit and then into wind and just try the flap one level, just see what you think. It doesn't balloon straight away.
One level of flap.
So it balloons, but it doesn't balloon straight away.
It almost stops it.
Yeah, but it slows it right down, doesn't it?
Well, it slows it down so much.
Not that it's fast, but it does slow it down really. For landing, like, you know, you could literally just plop it down. Is that still our flap?
No, that's flap.
Okay. Okay.
How quickly it stopped
Yeah.
with that wind.
Yeah. You wouldn't want a full flap landing because it'd probably land on
Full flaps for this.
this wind. It'd probably.
I think I need a day when there's no wind,
Yeah.
when I can play with the flaps and just get used to it. I think this is, I mean, the Tucano's big, but this is the biggest thing I've flown so far.
Yeah.
That's what I don't like. See the way it's just rising?
Yeah. Is that on your turn?
Yeah. Well, no, that was just before I turned.
I was going to say, because you could, if you wanted to, put a bit of mix on that. On the aileron, a bit of down elevator, but you...
On a nice, calm summer's day,
Yeah.
this will be absolutely awesome.
Oh, God, yeah.
Oh, see how she sat back there?
Yeah. Yeah.
Get the duck.
Got about nearly 5 minutes now, 4.5-ish.
Slow it down on this one. That's what I don't like there, see?
Yeah. Right, drop that throttle right down because you can literally glide that in. use the elevator, slow it right down. You're not over yet, so just keep slowing it down. Just keep slowing it down. Nice flare now. Nice flare. Flare again, that's it, yeah, lovely. It's going to take just...
He's a bit of a bouncer.